The test project is to make a cabinet, which includes a carcass, leg frame, dorm frame, and a drawer. Competitors are required to use hand tools to produce dovetail joints for drawers, which in fact can be processed by using woodworking machines. Carcass. The carcass consists of bevel joints from two sides on the top and square joints at the bottom. The case is joined by biscuits. Competitors can name the number and location of biscuits at their own reasonable discretions. There's one piece of board in the carcass as a shelf, which is supported by board brackets. Cabinet leg frame. The carcass is supported by a leg frame at two sides. Which are joined by dowels with the carcass. Door. The door frame is built by solid wood, and the panel in the middle is artificial material with solid wood veneers on the surface. The solid wood door frame is joined by bevel joints, and the door is connected with the carcass by hinges. Drawer. The drawer is mainly joined by dovetail joints. Competitors need to use hand tools to produce the structure while following safety requirement during the process. Prior to the competition, let's see, our test project, I'd like to invite experts to check if there's any issue. Firstly, let's see the 3-view drawing. In this 3-view drawing, there are two frames and a carcass with a door and a drawer. All of these are consistent with the regulations of the competition. There are two working drawings. The two working drawings include top view, front view, front sectional view, and side sectional view. Please check if there's any issue. The structure is built by Domino. But let's see if we can see a Domino-built structure from the working drawing. The view does not show it, nor does the top view, okay? So this part is okay. Let's mark it down. This is the working drawing, and it doesn't show it clearly. Yes. The design of the handle can be seen from the front view drawing. It's over here. But its dimension is... You mean this? Yes, it's the dimension of the cave, but there's no depth dimension. Dimension of depth is not marked. Okay, we'll revise this part. The dimension of depth needs to be marked. Okay, there's no middle groove for glide, so it would be pushed and pulled via the bottom groove, and there's no gap. Correct. Competitors need to make a judgment, so there won't be any gap here. No. But the process of push and pull need to be smooth. Competitors need to make a judgment. No need for marking the dimension here. It can be random as long as it can cover to this position, okay? This part needs to be marked. Yes, okay. We'll mark it down. It might be the same dimension as the width at the bottom. It marks here, but there's no mark here. But it does mark the dimension for thickness. Generally speaking, the chief expert and skill competition managers would further discuss this part. Is this dimension correct? Is it for which one? Is this for wood screws or for wood screws? I think it's not for wood screws. It should be for this part here. That's it. Yes, it is for the width here. It's an error. Okay, this part should be fine. Should be aware of the thickness of this material. Then it is the remaining part, which is what beyond 30, and it would stick out. Okay, this one? The dimension here should be aligned with it. Yes, yes, they're aligned. Yes, 30, correct. So it is an error. It should be moved over here. Move it here, that's right. Okay? Thanks for identifying the errors. We can make revisions once some issues are identified before the competition. This drawing would be revised and adjusted. The revised one would be printed out and circulated to competitors at the scheduled time during the competition.